Well, we're out here at a very high Hoover reservoir this morning. I feel like I'm due for some nice blue cats, so we're going to go out here and see what we can do. I got some frozen shad, I got some bluegills, I got a white bass I've never tried. I'm going to quickly show you how I'm doing my setup here. I think I'm going to drag. There's a pretty decent breeze. I think I'm just going to set both my rods on one side and just let however the drift works, and just let my baits drag across the basin out there, and we'll see how it works. I'll show you how I'm setting up my dragging rigs here. I got a three-way swivel. It's just a Santee Cooper rig. I left my floats at home, so luckily I had some peg floats, which will work. They don't have quite as much flotation as I like, but these are pretty small baits I'm using today. I'm only going to be using a size 5/0 circle hook, and all my baits are pretty small, especially the bluegills are real small. I'll be cutting the shad anyway. So one end goes to the main line, of course, and I've got a fluorocarbon leader here, just left over from my saltwater days. I don't really think you need it. It's probably about 50-pound test, I would say. I'll tie that onto this end. Usually I'd use a snell on the hook, which I don't think I'll do right now because I'm in a hurry to get out. I'm going to do my improved clinch knot on both ends. Slide my peg float on. Slide your line through. I'll go this way. Tie on your hook. We'll be about good to go. Not a snell, I'm going to do a clinch knot. And then ready to rock. Well, I'd say that's about 16 inches or so. That's about 4 or 5 inches to the bait. Get my dragging sinker, which I've shown you guys how to make, and just clip that guy on there. And she'll drag through the water like that. Alright, so we're out here on the water. I'm going to see which way the wind's blowing. It's supposed to be coming out of the west-northwest. So I'm going to head up, I'm going to head north, let the wind blow us back. Right now, I'm not sure if that's the way the wind is blowing. I can't really tell, so we're in a protected area. Just going to go out a bit and see what's going on. I've got some dragging rigs. I think I'm going to kind of drift today with the breeze. Hopefully it won't be blowing too hard, and we'll get a nice speed going and everything else. I feel like I'm due for a big blue cat. I don't know how this really high water is going to affect things, but it's up, oh my, a lot. 3 or 4 feet at least. And normally this time of year it's really been drawn down, so it's up 15 feet from where it normally is. So should be interesting. We'll go do a little exploring and see what we can get into. Okay, this might be interesting. Just decided to make a few casts here. Oh my, I've caught something nice. Oh, I'm trying to record this. Come on up here. This has got to be a nice bass. Yeah, he's a nice bass. Come here. Come here, you. All right. Gotcha. That was fun. I just decided I was going to stop on the way up to where I was going, and I thought I'd make a few casts here, and I got him. So I'm going to pause for a second and get out of this disaster I'm about to create. Let's get you out of here. Let's see what we got going on here. Calm down. You're a nice bass. Nice little guy. Are you still hooked? No, you're not hooked. Look at that guy. Good way to start the day. Ouch. Nice way to start the day. Let's see how big he is and get him out back in the water. He's probably a keeper here. He's 15 3/4. 15 3/4. Nice bass. That's a good way to start the day. There you go. See you later, fella. Okay. Oh, that's funny. I did break my rule. If you're fishing, you better be recording. Because I was not recording. I got a nice little bass there. Got some of it on camera, so that's good. Got it on my phone. Okay. Let's get fishing. Dragging rods. Let's pull out let's start with a bluegill. I think I'll do a piece of bluegill, a piece of white bass. I've never used white bass before. So let me just see how that goes. Chummy chum chum. Alright, let's get that too. I'll make 2 baits out of that. Keep the head. I never have done great with the heads. Some people swear by it. I got a 5/0 hook, small bluegill chunk. Hook him thusly. Get the scale off there. Probably want to cut that little piece off right there too. Okay. About 11 foot of water is where we're going to start. We'll be drifting probably much deeper at some point. Oh, that's not a good way to start with a little backlash action. Pretty old line. I have bought that 40-pound line 4 years ago probably. Alright. That's the last of it. There's the white bass. We'll get him on the other rod. I said I've never used white bass before. I caught him on the Scioto a few weeks ago. So we'll get a nice chunk of him. Let's get him in the water. And we'll do a chunk about so. Alright. I hope it came out on video, but on the way up here I just decided to stop for a second and make a few casts with my blade bait. And I caught a 15 3/4 inch largemouth. I kind of got it on video a little bit, but anyway, I kind of broke my own rule that I set last week. If you're fishing, you're recording. Because that's happened to me too many times. I think the big fish know, like, hey, he's not recording right now. It's time to hit. Okay. Let's set these up on clickers. Really light drag. So I get a big one, he'll definitely be able to just take that line right out. Okay. And we'll just drift. The drift was going along just fine. I decided to rig up a Carolina rig on a 7-foot medium action rod, 10-pound test line, 20-gram sinker, 5/0 hook, and that'll come into play later. There's a fish. There's a fishy fish. Oh, okay. Oh. It's pulling pretty good. I got a hook in my mouth. I'm going to put that down. I'm trying to tie. if I can get him over on this side. Decent little cat. Come here, fella. There you go. Tastes good. Oh, he's barely hooked. Alright. There you go. I don't know how big he might be. He's not that huge. I'm not going to measure him, but I'll let him go. Thank you, fella. Little fight. You know what? I gotta find out how big he is. He is, no idea, probably about 24, 25 inches. Hell, I don't know, maybe bigger. See ya. That was with bluegill. Alright, very cool. Then we'll get the bluegill out and get back in business. I'm going to put the head on there and see what happens. Okay, let's get going. Let's see, where are you? You're out that way. That's fine. Okay. There we go. Turning down my tunes, listen to a little Neil Young, Rust Never Sleeps. Okay. Got one on there. I don't know how big he is. He feels decent, for sure. Uh-oh. Oh, I got another line on. I think I got this line on him. Oh, I got a big mess, I believe. Maybe not. Okay. Another decent size one. Come here, you. Open up. Open up. Oh, he's smaller than the first one. For sure. Well, he's hooked well. That's for sure. There we go. He's a decent size. He's probably 22, so he's not a very big one. So thank you, fella. The wind really started to pick up, so I went to the western side of the lake and decided to drift across the cove that's right by the boat ramp. I marked a lot of fish there heading north, so I set up a drift and decided to change up my bait on my spinning rod. Alright, we're going to take off the bluegill head and we're going to put in the little chunk of white bass. Oh, he's bloody too. Oh, that's a fish. Oh my, I've got the monster on here. Okay, yeah, I got a nice fish and I got 10-pound line. So we gotta take it easy on this guy. Okay, let's get this guy locked in. Just keep it tight. Come on, baby, don't lose it. I might have lost him. No, he's still in there. Let me see ya. Come on up here and show yourself. Oh, he might get me. I gotta loosen up a little bit. I really want to see this fish. Come on, baby, let me see it. No, don't go again. There he goes. I gotta be careful. Might be a flathead. Well, he's fighting. He's got to be a flathead. That's what I'm thinking. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Come on, baby, I just want to see. I don't even care if I land you. I just want to see what the hell you are and how big you are. Because you feel huge. Come on, baby. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break. Get off the trolling motor. Don't break. God, he's pulling so hard. Oh my goodness gracious. This guy's a beast. He's gonna wear out. He's coming up. Oh, he got off! No! No! Oh, he's still in there. No, he's off. He got off, I think. Oh my God, I think he got off. Oh, he's still in there. Somebody's still in there. Oh, come on, man. Let me see you. No. Oh my goodness gracious. Come on now. Where the hell are you? There he is. He's gotta be getting close. Come on, baby. Show yourself, please. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, don't come off. Oh, you son of a bitch, come on. fight literally goes on for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's just crazy. I get the fish up. You can see him a few times. I get him by the kayak a couple times, almost land him. I finally get a hold of him. And I'm trying to pull him in the kayak, and I knock my camera off my head into the water.
Oh my
God! The actual landing of the fish. So just caught the biggest catfish I ever caught in my life. I'm gonna try to put that up here on the front mount and just try to get a picture of it. It's completely possible that I've destroyed my camera and the footage of me catching this fish. It was about a 30-minute fight, and at the very end when I pulled the fish in, I knocked my hat into the water with my camera on it. Pulled it right out, but it won't turn back on. I hope that the SD card is at least okay. So I'm gonna grab this guy, try to pick him up. Try not to knock the kayak over. But anyway, there he is. He's huge. Definitely the biggest one I ever caught. And I'm pretty happy about it. I don't know if you can even see the whole thing in the picture, maybe. Alright. I'm gonna let him go, I think. I hope I got you on film, buddy. Thank you so much. Woo! Too much. I don't even know if I survived it. That was a really small bait. 10-pound line. I don't know how big that son of a bitch was, but he's a big one. So another destroyed camera, some really nice lost footage. But hey, I'm still calling it a win. I caught my personal best bluecat on a 10-pound test. Had 2 other cats and a nice almost 16-inch bass. So I'm calling this day a win. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like. Subscribing and commenting is always appreciated. And hey, we'll see you next time on the water. Thanks.